Hello. Morning, afternoon, and night. So I catch you whatever time you're at or I'm at. You're welcome. Cut me some eggs. Just hatched this morning. We got the yard truck out and rolling. Check this truck out, Max. I bought this truck at auction. Didn't have any wheels on it. I bought it for the tailgate. I needed a tailgate. Check out that exhaust. I don't know if you can see that or not. Maybe not. Anyways, about that truck at IAA. Had no fender, no hood, no bumper, but it runs really good. This is my yard truck, and the light means my PTO's on because I always forget to leave it on, so I hooked it up to my backup light. Action's old truck. I bought it out of I bought that truck off of Facebook for $1,200. Has a Dana 60. It has a good Dana 60 front end in it. Hey, weird. He should have hooked his chain up. There's Dexter. Hey, you should have hooked the chain up and just got it tight.
Feed the chickens?
Yeah. Well, are you gonna hook this up?
Why do you have to fucking be here? I fucking...
I wish we had the winches to this thing. That'd be nice. Somebody took the winches off. They're probably just laying on somebody's floor. If anybody knows where my winches are, I'll buy them back. I'll offer a $500 reward. Or buy them for $500. That seems like a good price. Just get in and move it ahead a little bit. I'm gonna get inside and turn the wheels. Just go until you feel it. There you go. kind of not really a great place to hook. Hey, let me turn the wheels. Ugh. Man, I love this truck. These seats are so comfortable. Well, he's yelling at me about something. He doesn't like me video already. He's kind of got that tow hook and a bit. Which way? This way? Which way should I turn the wheels? Which way should I turn the wheels? Okay, well, I think that's going to conclude today's video. I don't think Stanley likes being on video too much. He's like a disgruntled little son. There's Remy. There's Dexter. Hi, Dexter. Hi, Remy. Yeah, okay. Anyways, comment, like, and oh, here comes Stanley. He doesn't like the YouTube thing or videoing thing. He really gets upset about it. Anyways, comment, like, and subscribe. My videos can only get better. I mean, come on. Anyways, have a nice day. Have a nice life. Happy tow trucking. Bye.